Hello guys, good morning. It's January 1, 2026. Happy New Year y'all. Kumusta naman yung mga paputok dyan sa inyo? Kumusta yung New Year nyo guys? Yung sa amin, ayos lang naman. We just went to the casino to attend the countdown with, mga tao dito sa Amerika. Hindi ako naghanda kahapon kasi plan na talaga namin na pumunta doon sa casino or kung saan yung may countdown. Hindi naman literally nasa casino kami, pero kung saan lang yung may countdown, dahil sa casino lang yung may countdown na malapit dito sa Alexandria, doon na lang kami pumunta. So yeah, masaya naman. We just ate there sa restaurant nila, and then yeah, buti may free drinks. So nakapag kami, cheers, para i-welcome yung 2026. Well, nag-enjoy naman kami so far kasi ang daming tao na nag-attend doon para yung i-welcome yung 2026. At syempre, dahil casino yun at napalaro naman, pero for fun. Hindi naman kami play for, magsusugal talaga. Pero yeah, okay naman. Approve yung 2026 natin guys. Well, message ko lang sa inyo guys. I wish you this year fills you with love, joy, happiness, prosperity, and good health for sure. Kaya, Happy New Year! So welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So for today's video, samahan nyo na lang ako na gumawa ng steak bites, yung makakain namin today. Kasi dahil nga hindi ako nakapag-prepare last night for our salubong ng taong 2026, kaya ngayon tayo magluluto. Kaya samahan nyo ako. Let's go! So ayan guys, ready na tayo. So we have patatas na and then carrots. I already thawed the steak kagabi kasi I supposed to cook last night kung hindi man kami nakalabas, pero yeah, I thawed it last night overnight, kaya ready to to chop it up. Kaya let's go. So guys, we already done chopping all this potatoes and carrots. So ganyan pala yung pagkahiwa ko ng carrots kasi we supposed to use yung mga little carrots. Dahil wala tayong little carrots, I just chop it up like this kind of big. Anyway guys, so ang gagawin natin dyan is we're going to put it in a small bowl, in a bowl para ma-preserve natin yung kulay ng potato kasi nag-iiba yung dito. So we're going to chop it up. Okay guys, so we're about to season our steaks now. So we just gonna mix it up with salt, pepper, garlic. Supposed to be oregano. It's supposed to be parsley, but we're just gonna use the oregano because we don't have the parsley. And we're just gonna add it up with olive oil. And for the potato and carrots, we're just gonna mix it up with the same seasons with salt and pepper, garlic, oregano, and paprika. And we're just gonna add it up with olive oil as well. Alright. So ready na nga guys yung steak and potatoes natin para lutuin. So nakamix na yan, seasoned na yan siya, kaya nalagyan na natin ito sa oven. And then this one we're just gonna fry it up. Alright? Alright guys, so I'm going to cook the steak now. So the first thing I did, I heated the pan and then I put the butter and then the minced garlic. So once the butter melted already, you can put the steaks and cook the steaks for 15 minutes each side. Hi guys, so nakapagluto na rin ako. Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Wala akong masyadong ibang recipe kasi kung ano lang yung meron dito sa fridge namin, yun lang ang niluto ko kasi alam mo na, parang naging ano lang, parang mga craft lang yung mga ginawa ko. So yeah, so far nagawa natin ng paraan. Nagluto na rin ako ng fried rice and I made the sauce guys. Ito sa I supposed to make honey garlic. Dahil wala namang ibang sauce dito, I just made a honey garlic. So wala din akong honey, so ang ginamit ko yung maple syrup, and then I put the garlic in it, and then voila! Edi may sauce na tayo guys. Ito yung sauce ko. Ayan guys, so let's eat! Hello guys, tapos lang namin kumain. Yung video pala na habang kumakain ako, na-delete ko kaya wala. So, yeah. Ang sarap naman ng food, yung potato. Ang ganda ng pagkaluto niya. It's so tender. The same thing with the carrots. So, yeah. Success tayo sa pagluto today. So, yun lang. Wala na akong magagawa sa video kasi na-delete ko talaga siya. Kasi, I don't know. May pipindutin sana ako na delete, nasama yun. At wala. Goodbye. Pero, alright guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. And give big thumbs up. And comment down below. And subscribe my YouTube channel. And see you guys on my next video. Bye.